Hey guys, welcome to my Make a Living Trading Forex course. Now, in this course, you will learn how to trade along with the smart money. Okay, you will learn my 4-step confirmation technique, which I used to trade with the smart money. You will learn how to read the market using volumes. Okay, you will learn a technique that less than 1% of traders know. You will learn how to trade with the smart money. You will learn the signs of smart money entering the market. You will learn the signs of buying, the signs of selling. You will be able to spot market manipulation, okay? The Forex market is extremely manipulated. Imagine being able to identify some of these signs of manipulations in the market. So take this course if you want to learn another method that you can use to analyze the market and a method that you can use to identify signs of market manipulations, okay? In this course, you will learn the signs of buying, the signs of demand entering the market, and you will learn the signs of selling, the signs of supply entering the market. And you can use these signs and you can combine these signs with any technique that you already know, okay? You can use the knowledge gained from this course and you can combine that knowledge with any technique that you already have, and it can improve your trading. So you can learn my means of analyzing the market and use that to improve your current method of trading the Forex market. Or you can also use my technique. That is my 4-step confirmation technique that I will teach you in this course, okay? You will learn my step-by-step method of how to trade using my 4-step confirmation technique. And here is an example of a trade I took using my technique, okay? This is a trade I took before the non-farm payrolls data, and I'm up about $600 on this trade, okay? And we can easily see the signs. Smart money entered the market in the zone. Here we have our supply line. And if you look closely, prices came back to our supply line, okay? This is what we call a step 4 confirmation. So prices came back to our supply line and the market rallied. So this was a very good trade. Now I'm going to take my profits off this trade. And that is it. I'm going to close this out now. And that is it, okay? That was $600 on that trade based on my technique. And this is a live account. If I go here, you can see that this is a live account. So that was just a trade making 63 pips, $630 on that trade using my technique. And in this course, I will explain the reasons why I took that trade, okay? So if you want to learn another method that you can use to analyze the market, if you want to improve the way that you trade, if you want to learn how to draw trend lines, how to trade candlestick patterns, if you want to learn how to trade along with the smart money, take this course.